Hey guys, we have another package today. This is from the fabulous Judy Cox at Fire It Up Candles. I am so very excited. Wow, so very excited about this order. This is bubblegum. No. Not yet. Put those off to the side. Ooh, smell that one.
Smell like strawberry.
Oh my gosh, she loaded me up with samples. Gosh. She is awesome. This one is Cider Lane. That smells amazing. That one is Tutti Frutti Goat's Milk Soap. Egyptian Musk Moisture Bars. Moisturizer bars. Whoa, this is awesome. Ooh, that smells good. This one is Berry Bliss. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got one too.
This one is Green Apple Explosion.
I got one too.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Wow. We have apple sugar cookies. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely going to get a candle in this next time I purchase stuff.
There's the same thing down here.
Oh, we got some of her, some of her fabulous cards. Let's see what the note says.
Look, they're twins.
Thank you for your order. Enjoy all your goodies. Soap and moisturizer bar are extras. Judy from Fire It Up Candles. We have grape cotton candy. This is the one that I've been wanting to smell. Oh yeah, that smells good. I'm gonna order a candle in that as well. We have hot butter popcorn. You want to open them for Mommy so we can smell them?
Yeah, what's this one?
Ooh, that smells really good.
What's this one? What's mine?
This one is berry. Ooh, that's Berry Bliss.
I can't smell it.
This one is apple cinnamon cobbler.
Oh, I love the smell.
Oh my gosh. This one is green apple explosion. And I know what that smells like because I have a tart in it.
Favorite.
This one is Bite Me, and this is, oh sweet, this is a scoopable.
Your favorite.
This one is Satsuma. Let me smell this one.
I wonder what this one smells.
Oh wow, that smells amazing. Look how pretty that is. That is awesome. Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
This one is Strawberry Kiwi. That smells good. We have caramelized pears, I think.
I want to do the pink bits.
Oh my gosh, that smells really good. We have Very Vanilla Cupcake. Oh. Ooh, that smells good. That's the one that my daughter wanted. Look how pretty that is. It's pink and white. We have Pineapple Upside Down Cake. Oh, awesome. Oh, that one smells amazing. Let's see what the last one is. Which one is this one? And this one is Amaretto Sour. Ooh. All right, I'm going to pause this so I can open up these. And I will be right back. All right, we are back. So, I got a blueberry muffins scoopable. You can't see it. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and open that one for Mommy. And I got a candle in Cider Lane. And this has a size 5 ring in it. And you can see the packet is right there.
Ah.
And I haven't tried.
Let me open this one, and you can open that one.
I haven't tried. I can't get it open. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that.
Oh, this comes with a little blinky that fold off.
Oh, that smells amazing. Look at that shimmer. That is absolutely beautiful. And you can see right there above that heart is my packet. So,
Let me see.
I'm going to light this. I'm going to start and light this here in just a little bit. Hold this for mommy. And go ahead and get this open, the scoopable. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't mean to laugh in your ear. Look how beautiful that is.
Can I touch it?
I told her that I love glitter. And she sent this with a lot, oh wow, with a lot of glitter on it. Oh my gosh. That is one of my favorite scents in the whole entire world right there is blueberry muffins.
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
Oh my gosh, that smells amazing.
I want
wow.
the rule. I really want it.
But, alright guys, I'm going to pause this and get everything over here so you guys can see just what all I got, and I'll be right back again. Alright, I'm back. I got to turn this to the side so you guys can see just how much she sent me. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at all those samples. I paid for this and this, and the rest of it was extras. Like, Judy Cox is the queen of samples. She knows what she's doing. Oh my gosh, I love this company.
This is only my favorite thing.
I'm just super, super excited. A huge thank you to you, Judy, for sending us these beautiful samples. I'm going to be making another purchase probably when I get paid tomorrow or possibly next week. I am going to get the, where's it at? Oh, I'm going to get a candle in this. You can't see it. Hold on. Grape cotton candy. That smells amazing.
This smells amazing.
So, again, this is from Fired Up Candles.
Look, it smells so good.
Yep. I am blown away by this company. Like, completely blown away. I highly recommend you guys try this company. She is awesome. And she is such a wonderful, wonderful woman. She is definitely the queen of samples for sure. I'm not sure what I was going to say. I will do my reveal for you guys so you guys can see what beautiful ring I got.
Oh, I haven't smelled this one.
I have
Yeah, we haven't smelled this one.
I have this kind melting in my warmer right now, and let me just say, it smells amazing. I am so shocked. But yeah, I'm super, super excited about all these beautiful products. Thank you so much, Judy.
Thank you.
We greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I hope you all have a fantastic evening. And we will see you all later. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye.
What else do we say?
Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
And go check her shop out and show her some love. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away, guys. This is one of my favorite, is my favorite candle company. Now, I haven't tried many of them, but this is one of my favorite candle companies. But we will see you all later. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.